Hi, my name is Birch Nora, the Senior Warden of Sandoval Masonic Lodge number 76, and I'd like to extend to you the invite to dinner and conversation tomorrow evening, February the 12th at 6 p.m. at the Lodge. Now this event is Valentine's Day themed, and as such, your significant other is more than welcome to attend as well. Now many of you have already RSVP'd, and some are still sending them in to me, and that's totally okay. The dinner starts at 6 p.m., but I'll be there at 5:30 to chat with you a little bit beforehand as well as during. I'll have a designated table for all of us to sit at in order to make sure that I'm able to explain to you just what Freemasonry is and what Sandoval Lodge is in particular, as well as the next steps, should you decide to continue your journey in Freemasonry. We'll also have a presentation in the lodge room itself in spirit of Valentine's Day immediately after the dinner. Now my contact info is listed below, so if you'd like to RSVP, it's not too late. Simply text or email me your name and how many of you will be attending with you. Dinner is $10, cash only, and although Masons themselves will be dressed in a suit and tie, casual attire is totally okay. Come on by, we look forward to meeting you.